Hi, I'm Dr. Rio Hogseth, founder and director of the Pediatric Dental Team Association. And I bet you're like me, and we have taken many types of personality tests over the years. Most common of those is the Myers-Briggs and the DISC system, right? And you might even have used it to evaluate people you are interviewing for a potential position in your office. Well, I have kind of gotten away from those over the years, and you probably have too, but I recently came across another type of personality test, and it's not new, it's been around for a while, but it's definitely new to me, and I thought I would pass it on to you. And it's based on colors. So like the DISC system, there's 4 different models of personality, and in the color one, it is gold, green, orange, and blue. And each one of these definitely encompasses different things. So I took the personality test myself, and I'm a gold. So we'll get to a little bit more of that in a minute. But it only takes like 10-15 minutes at the most to do it, and you get your results immediately. So I wanted to bring this to your attention because I think this is a great thing to do to get your staff back all together and remembering that each one of us is an individual who likes to be talked to different ways, who has different stressors, who has different strengths. And maybe you've got some new team members, and this might be a great way to kind of get everybody all on the same page and really feeling more like a team. So I would urge you to consider doing this as a staff meeting and have them take the exam like the first 10-15 minutes of the meeting, print out their results, and then let everybody kind of read those things about themselves to everybody else so they understand where they are. So you could even take it a step farther and make sure the team continues using this by maybe cutting out a little placard for their desk, for those who have a desk, of the color that they are. And those who use name tags, you can always get a little white dot at an office supply store and just color it in as to what color is their main personality type and have that put on their name tag. So as they interact with their teammates and with the doctor, then you might help remember how they like to be communicated with, and also what are their strengths, what are their stressors, so that you can really help each other and get that team spirit and that team cohesiveness going in your own office. So those are some ideas. But I wanted to tell you a little bit about what your results will come back as. So my being a gold, I thought I would go over with you kind of how the results come so you'll understand how this might help you in your team and how you work not only amongst each other, how you communicate with other people, and then also possibly if you want to use it for interviewing new hires. Make sure you check in your state though, and if there are any restrictions on using personality tests for potential new staff members. So with the gold, so again what you get is your strengths, you get your stressors, you get the values of how the personality type sees themselves, how other people see them. So it's pretty involved, but very clear-cut and very easy to understand. So here's how to communicate some tips, and I'll give you the difference. So a gold, they like to be prepared, so give them details, stay on target, be consistent, show respect, don't interrupt, and recognize their contributions. They like to be patted on the back. Yes, I do. And other ones, here's some of their descriptors. So a gold is loyal, dependable, sensible, faithful, and caring, just like me. So you can kind of see how these descriptors of these different personality types can actually help you knowing how to interact with them, but also, as I said, might be very helpful if you're looking for a specific personality type for a position in your office. This might help you find that person. So I urge you to think about doing this as a fun exercise or workshop with your entire team, and also you'll get some great information because of it. I'm actually thinking about adding a workshop on color types in our upcoming PDTA conference. We did have to postpone it because of all the COVID concerns for an October meeting, but I really would like to have it in January, and I'm thinking about having it at the same time as the Southeast Society of Pediatric Dentistry's annual CE meeting that is January 14th through the 16th. So it would be kind of cool for the doctors to be able to come to Atlanta and attend the SSPD meeting, and then bring your team and they can attend the Pediatric Dental Team Association conference at the same time. Doesn't that sound like a great idea? So definitely let me know by replying to this email if you think that would be a great time to hold the conference for us this year. And also, if indeed you do your color type, I would love to hear what type you are. This has been your Practice Pearl from the PDTA, and I'll see you on the next one.